Can he do it? Yes, he can. Or maybe not. Oh, that was actually pretty cool.
I did it! That's what I'm doing.
Hunter, look, Max D's way up in the tree. Hey everyone, and welcome to Little Hunter's World. On today's episode, we're going to do a toy review of the Hot Wheels Monster Jam monster trucks. That's right, Hot Wheels Monster Jam monster trucks. But before we get started, we have to stop by Target and pick some up. Come on, let's go. Hey, buddy, what do you got there?
I got a patrol card.
This is what? It's a gift card. It's upside down. The dog's like, help me, I'm upside down. Flip me back over. And we're going to get what? What are we going to get? Monster trucks! We're going to get some monster trucks! Oh, here they are, the Hot Wheels Monster Jam monster trucks. These things are amazing. Look at the details, they're incredible, like little works of art. Every time I see them, they take me straight back to my childhood. I'm certainly impressed. I wonder what Hunter will think. Hunter! Hunter, let's get all of them.
You need all?
Put them all in there. What are you doing? Put them all in there.
Hungry sharks do. The monkeys on the bus go, ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah. The monkeys on the bus go, ooh yeah, oh. The rooster on the bus goes, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. The rooster on the bus goes, cock-a-doodle-doo, all through the town.
Go ahead. You can open it. There it is. Good job, buddy. Good job. Hunter, what you got there?
I got 4.
How many of them?
4.
There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And there's a pirate. So this pirate's curse. What's a pirate's favorite letter?
R.
R. And then we'd have this one, and he's all beefed up. Look at him, a gravedigger. That's your favorite. And then who's this one right here? Is that Max D?
And what's this?
Max D. And what do we do with them? We play with them and make them go really fast. Are they faster than Lamborghinis?
Uh-huh.
And they can drive over everything. And how old are you?
4.
And how many monster trucks are there?
4.
There's how many?
4.
4! 1, 2, 3, 4. Roar! What are we gonna do?
We're gonna go right over there.
We're gonna go in the trail? We're gonna go off-roading with your monster trucks?
Yes.
Woohoo! Let's go. Can you go faster?
Let's go to both at the same time.
They're both the same. You and both of them in there in the same time?
I do it.
You can do it. One, 2, 3. Nice. Can he do it? Yes, he can. Or maybe not. Oh, that was actually pretty cool.
I did it. That's what I'm doing.
Hunter, look, Max D's way up in the tree. Oh no! Hey buddy, I'm gonna catch you. You better hurry up. I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer. Hey buddy, are you off-roading? I'm having fun off-roading. Are you having fun? Oh no!
That's awesome.
Hey, thanks for watching Little Hunter's World. We have a lot of fun and exciting videos coming out real soon, so be sure to subscribe. See you next time.